So today I'm going to show you how to upload on Google Drive. How to upload on Google Drive is very easy. So you can either upload directly on the Google Drive, or maybe you want to create, or you can decide that you want to create a folder on your Google Drive that you want to upload inside that folder. So now let's create the folder first. So you have to right click on your cursor. It brings out this option. Then you click on new folder. Then you can name the folder. Let's name it upload. Then you click on create. Then you look for the folder upload. This is it. Then you double click on it. You open it. So to now upload a file into this folder, you have to right click again. Then you click on file upload. This time is file upload, not new folder. File upload. Then it takes you to your computer. Then you look for whatever you need to upload on. Let me just upload a picture. Let me upload this. So then click on open, and then it brings out the notification. Then you can see it's now uploaded on the folder. Then it's now on your Google Drive. So it's very easy, not difficult. Thank you.